Hello everyone, welcome to ALM tutorial with KP. Let's learn to make Indian place value chart. So let's start. You can see my board here. So first we'll start with drawing a table. So let's draw our table. You can use your pencil and scale to draw a table straight line like this. Okay, okay. And then from here this much is enough. Children, please do use your pencil and scale to draw a line, to draw table like this. Yes, you can use eraser as well if you're not getting a straight line then. Okay, now what we will do after drawing a table, we will make 4 columns. Okay, so let's make 4 columns. First column, let's make it bigger. I will tell you why. This is the first column, and then we are having a second column. Okay, then third column, and totally we drew 4 columns. Okay, now let's draw like this. Hope you all are drawing with me. Now after drawing 4 columns and 1 row, let's write periods. So this is the here we will write heading period. So let's take text here, and there we can write like this. We can move it like this. OTS periods. We can decrease the size. Select it. What happened to it? Okay, little fine. I hope it's visible to you. So here is the periods. Okay, now we will write here place. So let's make one more row like this. We'll write this much from here. Okay, so nice one, no? Then take a text. Let's write here places. I can little bit decrease the size to adjust here. We can bring it to like this. Okay, so this row is for the periods and this row is for the places or position, or you can say place values. So what is the first one? Let's go to the first column. This is the first period. So you all know the first period is once. You can increase the size if you want. Okay. Okay. Then the second period, you know the second period? Do you know? I know you all know. Second period is 1000 and TS. Okay, THOUSANDS, thousands. Okay, mine's thousands. Then next, we should go for the third period. This is your lakhs. Fine, perfect. Next, go for your fourth period. So let's adjust this. Crores period. Now, under one's period, we need to draw three sub columns. Okay, under this one's column or under one period, we need to draw one's period three sub columns to write their position values or to write their place values. So first we will have one sub column under one's period, and this is your second sub column. Totally there are three sub columns. Okay, and under thousand period, let's draw two sub columns. Same under lakhs period, let's draw two sub column. Okay, under crores period, another two sub columns. Okay, fine. So now let's write their position values, or we call as a place values. So let's take the X button and here you can place it. Shall we change the color? Okay, let's take this red color or this pink color. Okay, so this is, the place value O and ES once. Okay, let's write in small once. Next position value, or we call it as a place value. After once we have tens. Yes, you're right, tens. Okay, and then after tens we have, can anybody guess? Yes, you're right, it's hundreds. Don't forget to put S at the last. HUNDREDS, hundreds. Okay, so once tens, hundreds. Next, under thousands period, we have two places in Indian place value chart. So first is 1000. Oh, what happened? Okay, so here is the text. Sometimes, the way that I want here, and it is troubling me. Okay, so it's thousands. THOUSANDS. Let's drag it like this. Okay, next, it's 10,000. So 10,000. THOUSANDS. 10,000. Okay, so instance hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So under this lakhs period, we have first position value or place value as lakhs. Then let's go for this. 10 lakhs. Now for 100 crores. Crores, and then we have 10 crores. So we are done writing periods and places, or we call them as place values or position values. Let's put the short form. For once we have here, you can put like this. Let's draw one more, first one more row. Okay, so I will draw like this, one more line like this, horizontal line. Okay, so now it's capital O. Okay, let's start. Shall we change the colors? So for this we will take okay, let's take dark color. I hope it is visible. Yeah, increase the size. So fine. Now for tens, we got a symbol as T. Now for 100, we got SH. Now for thousands, we can write like capital T and capital H, or we can write like this, capital T and small h. Okay, this is thousands. Next, this is how we write thousands. Next, for 10,000, something wrong here. Bring it here. Okay, so for 10,000 you write capital T, capital T, capital H, or you can write like this, um, capital T and small h, and close the bracket. Let's decrease the size so it perfectly fit. Okay, next for lakhs. For lakhs we can write simply like capital L, don't write small l. For 10 lakhs you write PL, that too in capital. Next for crores. Now at last we have 10 crores. So can you guess 10 crore? How we can write 10 crore? Yes, you're correct. You're so intelligent. It's 10 crores. DC. Okay, so periods. We done writing periods, we done writing places, and we done writing their symbols, how to represent ones, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Now let's write their values. So 1 means 1, great. And now for tens, what could be the value? 10, nice. Now for 100, we can write 100. For 1000, for 1000 you write 1 comma and then got 3 0. Okay, okay, so for 10,000 we put them in order. We write 10 comma and 3 0, right? Little bit small. 10,000. Now for lakhs, we'll write 1 comma 0 0. Just give me a minute. I need here eraser. Oh, eraser will not work here. Okay. So we'll write yeah, lakh. So lakh means 1 comma 0 0 comma and then got 3 0. So a little bit we'll drag it. Okay. Now for 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means there will be a 10 comma double 0 and then we have another 3 0. So this is how we can write 10 lakhs. Okay, what we can do is that decrease size. Nice, perfect. One big, one small. Fine. Okay, next let's go for crores. So we'll write for crores. Can anybody guess how many zeros are there in crores? In thousand, yes, correct. 7 zeros are there. So we'll write 1, 2 zeros, 4 0, and then 3 zeros. So it's crores. Now what about the 10 crores? It got 8 zeros. Yes, thanks. Thank you for helping. Thanks for help. Next, my text box is troubling me. Okay, so 10 crores. We have 8 zeros. So totally we are having here 4. Hmm. 4, 5. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. So I think I have not done any mistake here. Okay, so correct. This is your Indian place value chart. Okay, so let's put the heading. Indian place. Tool is traveling. We'll simply enlarge this text box and now we can write Indian place value chart, or we can write it as a Indian numeral system. Indian numeral system chart. Okay, so this is how we can make Indian place value chart. I hope it is clear. If you really like this video, then do support me, like, share, and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to share with your friend this knowledge. Thank you.